Homeowners are being reminded of the importance of working smoking alarms after an inquest heard that one helped raise the alarm at a house fire in Royal Wootton Bassett. Rosemary Ashley died at her home in Brynards Hill in the early hours of June 9 after a fire broke out in her bedroom. At her inquest in Salisbury on Wednesday, the coroner's court heard that her husband Brian, who is known by his middle name Viv, was first alerted to the blaze when a fire alarm at the home started to go off at 3:30 a.m.